Hey YouTube, we're going to do the song The Boy with the Arab Strap by Belle and Sebastian. This is a beginner lesson. G, C, G. And all I'm doing is playing the C note on the B string. It's like a way to play the shuffle. That's the rhythm of this song, is like a shuffle rhythm. It's like 1, a 2, and 1, a 2, and 1, a 2, and 1, a 2, and 1, and 2, and then when it goes to the C, one, a 2, 1, a 2. So the rhythm is different. The D, when it goes to the D, it's the same rhythm as the C. Mile and a half in this town takes a long time. Odor of prison food takes a long time to pass you by. No lyrics. Day by day of wandering gets you down. No, it gives you a chance. $1 in this old town. So most of it is G to C on the verses. It only goes to the D at the very end. The boy with the Arab strap. And so this song is actually not a verse-chorus song. What it is it's a verse with a refrain at the end. And the refrain is the boy with the Arab strap. I think, and then that changes in the other verses. Like one time he's like the boy with the nasty laugh. Yeah, and the lyrics kind of like go right along with that shuffle rhythm. That's probably why there's not many lyrics on the C. I'm on a bus in this town, takes a long time. Goes right along with the lyric, the rhythm. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy that song and playing it. Have fun. Bye.